One of my subscribers sent me this video and he asked me to make a detailed tutorial on how to create these videos. But first, let's take a look at the channel. The name is called Dr. Data. Currently, they have uploaded only 59 videos and they have been able to rack in over 400,000 subscribers. Now, I was curious and I wanted to see how many views each of their videos has gotten. So when you click on popular videos here, you're going to see that their most popular video has gotten over 20 million views, while the second one is about 18 million views. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to start a channel like this. But first, let me show you guys what I was able to create.
What if you never brushed your teeth again? Day 1, you skip the sink. Your mouth tastes like sleep, but you shrug it off. Week 1, your teeth feel fuzzy. Food sticks everywhere. You start picking at them with your tongue. Month 1, there's a smell now. You notice it, so you stop laughing with your mouth open.
Now, you're going to learn exactly how to create a video like the one you just watched. All you just need to do is grab a cup of coffee and let's jump into the main tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to visit the channel and basically take a screenshot just like this. Now that you have the screenshot, open ChatGPT, click on the plus icon here, and then select Add Photo and File. Then import the screenshots you just took. Alright, so now the screenshot is here. The next thing you need to do now is to add a prompt. So we are going to basically add this prompt. Now this prompt is basically going to tell you that you need more ideas like these videos that have gotten a lot of views. As simple as that. When you paste it, just click on Generate and ChatGPT is going to first of all start analyzing the image to understand exactly what you've asked it to create. And then immediately it's done with that, it's going to start creating new video ideas. So what you just need to do is go through the ideas, the video ideas that ChatGPT has provided, and pick one that you are interested in. Now that you have your idea, the next thing you need to do now is to write your script, and we are going to be using ChatGPT. I've already created a prompt for you guys. You can get the link to the Google Doc file in the video description below. So now the first thing you need to do when you visit the Google Doc file is to come down to where you see paste topic/idea, then come down to the topic, change this topic to your own topic. Like for me, I'm making a video on what if you never brushed your teeth again. So your own video idea will be different. So you have to change this before you do anything. So now that you've changed it, you can now copy the entire prompt just like this. And now we're going to go back to ChatGPT or any of your preferred AI tools like Gemini or anyone you choose to use to write your script. But for me, I'm just basically going to use ChatGPT. So just come to the chat box here and paste the prompt and click on Generate. As simple as that, ChatGPT will immediately start writing you a very engaging script. When ChatGPT is done writing you the script, all you just need to do is copy the entire script and make sure you save it somewhere. Alright, so the next step for us now is to generate our image prompt that we are going to use to create our visuals. And I've already created the prompt for you. All you just need to do is come down to where you see Script to Image Prompt Generator. Now basically what you're going to do here is to first of all scroll down to where you see Now Paste Your Script below, and basically just go back to where you pasted your script and copy it, then paste it here. And once you've pasted, you can now copy the prompt just like what I've done here. And now that we have the prompt, you can now go back to ChatGPT and paste it here inside the chat bar just like this. And immediately, ChatGPT will understand what you want, and then it will start creating your visual prompt one after the other, from this first scene to the last scene. So now that you have the prompt, the next step is to generate your images. Please, you can use any AI image generator of your choice. But for me, I just prefer using Whisk because it's easy to use, right? So just highlight your prompt, your first prompt, copy it, and then log into Whisk and basically just paste the prompt here in the description. And then before you click on Generate, first of all, click on the frame icon here and make sure that your settings are on 9:16, which is for your TikTok and YouTube short videos. So once you've set that, you can now click on Generate, and immediately Whisk is going to start generating your first image. The images look exactly like what we want, so the next thing we need to do now is to go back and copy the next prompt and then come back to Whisk and generate the image. This is what you're going to do for all the prompts, so you've generated all the images you need to create your video, just like what I've done here. So now the next step is to convert these images into animation, and we are going to be using Flow. First is to click on Text to Video here, and make sure you change it to Ingredients to Video. Now click on the plus icon here and then upload one of the images you generated in Whisk. So first of all, make sure you select Landscape here and change it to Portrait, and then click on Crop and Save. Click on the description here and basically just add motion to this image. Now before you click on generate, first of all click on the settings icon here and make sure your settings are correct, which is portrait output 1. And then the model that you're going to be using is VO 3.1 fast because this is going to only cost you 20 credits. If you don't have credits here, you can use any other tool like Grok or anyone that is preferable. But to be honest with you, Flow usually adds that motion properly for this kind of videos, so you can just consider that before you choose. So when you're done with that, the next step now is to put the clips together with CapCut. You can use any editing software of your choice, but I just feel like CapCut is easy for anybody to use, so we're going to be using it. Basically, click on import and then drag all the clips into the timeline and also your voiceover. I generated this voiceover using Google AI Studio. You can use any AI voiceover generator of your choice. So the first thing you need to bring into the timeline is the voiceover. So now, before you do any other things, you need to make sure you remove all the pauses. Then after that, the next thing is to start bringing in the clips one after the other into the timeline and basically just align it like this. But most importantly, you need to first of all listen to the voice so you know the exact clip you need to add and how to place it. It's just very simple. You just need to have this basic editing knowledge. So when you're done with that, just click on the caption at the top here to add your captions. And then we first of all select your spoken language and click on generate. So when you're done with that, click on templates here and then basically go to your provided templates and choose the one you like. But the caption style that channel is using is this type of caption style. So you can just choose this type. Alright, now the last thing you need to do now is to add effects. So you just go through your edit and then look at where you just feel like you need to add effects. For me, I think the beginning of this clip, I need to make sure that the video, the beginning, looks engaging and want to actually make people watch the video to the end. So for the beginning, I'm going to click on effects here and then go through my favorite effect. You don't have this, so what you just need to do is go through your video effects and search for flashy dance. I like how cool this effect is, so just click on it and drag it into your timeline. For me, I'm not going to be applying it in the whole of the clips. I just want to apply it in the first 3 clips, which is like my hook. So yeah, so when you're done with that, you can just basically click on export here and voila, we're done. Let me show you guys what we've been able to create in this video.
What if you never brushed your teeth again? Day 1, you skip the sink. Your mouth tastes like sleep, but you shrug it off. Week 1, your teeth feel fuzzy. Food sticks everywhere. You start picking at them with your tongue. Month 1, there's a smell now. You notice it, so you stop laughing with your mouth open. Month 3, your gums pull back. Your teeth look longer, yellower. You stop taking photos. Month 6, one molar throbs constantly. You chew on one side. Every meal feels like a decision. Year 1, pain is normal now. Your gums bleed if you touch them. 2 years, 3 more are gone. Your face looks thinner, older. Years later, eating is slow. Mirrors are avoided, and one day you realize you didn't just lose your teeth, you lost the version of you who smiled without thinking.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.